Hari Om Vakratunda Mahakaya Sulyakoti Sambrahma Nirvignam Kurume Deva Salvakareshu Salvada Om Saraswati Mahabhage Vidye Kamalalochane Vidyalupe Vishalakshi Vidyam Dehi Namostute Om Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukam Eva Bandhanam Mrityoramukshiyamamritarta Om Vasudeva Sudam Devam Kam Sachanuramardanam Devaki Paramanandam Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Jai Ram, Shri Ram, Jai Ram. 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 Bole Shri Ganesh Bhagwan ki Jai, Umapati Mahadev ki Jai, Vrindavan Lal ki Jai, Bole Shri Ramachandra ji ki Jai, Shri Satya Sanatan Dharma ki Jai.
सियावर रामचंद्र की, उमापति महादेव की, श्री कृष्ण भगवान की, श्री सत्य सनातन धर्म की जय सीताराम. Namaskar and welcome, swagatam to each and every one of you who are gathered here today for this pioneering endeavor that the Shiva Gana organization is venturing into, where never before have we had both Leelas of Krishna Leela and Ram Leela being done on the same day during a period. So for all the Shivaganas, let's give them a round of applause for endeavoring into this adventure for the next few nights. It is with great humility and joy I welcome all to this also Gita Mahotsav 2026. And it coincides with our opening of the Shiva Ganas Ram Leela and Krishna Leela. We respectfully acknowledge the presence of His Excellency Dr. Pradeep Singh Raj Purohit, High Commissioner of India to Trinidad and Tobago, representatives of the Mahatma Gandhi Institute of Cultural Cooperation, representatives of the Government of India, and to all our honored pundits that are here today, and spiritual leaders, performers, parents, children, guests, and every member of our wider community who are here today. And last, but certainly not least, to our Shiva Ganas. Har Har! Har Har! Har Har! Mahadev. On behalf of the Shiva Gana organization, I extend sincere gratitude to the High Commission of India and the Mahatma Gandhi Institute of Cultural Cooperation and all partners and supporters who have made this gathering possible today. As India prepares to celebrate its 80th Independence Day tomorrow, we offer our heartfelt early greetings as we wish you happy Independence Day to India and to all who cherish India's enduring spiritual and cultural heritage, which you will be seeing over the next few nights as well. May the values and courage, unity, service, and dharma continue to guide generations everywhere. Tonight, we gather around a text that has conformed, guided, and uplifted countless hearts, the Srimad Bhagavad Gita. And very importantly, please pay attention, Srimad Bhagavad Gita. It is not Bhagavad Gita, right? Bhagavad Gita. Many devotees lovingly speak of the Gita Mata as mother. Why is this? You ever thought? Why do we refer to our scriptures in Sanatana Dharma as Mata, as mother? So, Sri Satya Sai Baba gives one of the most beautiful examples. He says, if it is you ask a child, who is your father? Say, Mr. So-and-so is my father. And then if you ask the same child now, on whose authority do you say that is your father? On my mother's authority, that is my father. Likewise, who is our father? Bhagwan. And who tells us about who is our father? Our scriptures, our sastras, our books. They tell us exactly. And so Srimad Bhagavad Gita is none other than that mother. A mother does not abandon her child in confusion. She teaches, she corrects, she strengthens and comforts. In the same way, when Arjunji stood overwhelmed on the battlefield of life, Bhagwan Shri Krishna gave him the wisdom of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Not merely for one moment in history, but for every person who must face doubt, duty, fear, loss, and difficult choices. The Gita Mahatyam honors Gita Mata through 18 sacred names, each revealing another aspect of her grace. At this point, I'll ask you to put your hands together, close your eyes, as we chant and seek the blessings of this Gita, as we chant the Gita Mahatyam, and may those names of Gita Mata bless today's Gita Mahotsav, as well as our Krishna Leela and Ram Leela that will unfold over the next few nights. Hare से बोलो श्री कृष्ण भगवान की, Shri Gita Mata ki Jai. May these names remind us that Gita Mata is like the sacred Ganga Mata that purifies, like the sacred Savitri Devi who awakens divine understanding, like Sita Mata that embodies purity and steadfastness, like Brahma Vidya, the knowledge of the Supreme, and like the garland of wisdom that helps remove confusion and leads us towards inner joy. Tonight and this evening, as we move forward, we pray that may the blessings of Bhagwan Shri Krishna, Bhagwan Shri Ram, and these names and the verses of the Gita Mahatyam that I have chanted, it is said it is equivalent to chanting all 18 chapters of the Srimad Bhagavad Gita. May that blessings be with each and every one of you tonight as we end. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om. And now we have invocations to Bhagwan Shri Ganesh, as we have dancers from the SK dance group that will perform Ganapati Ganesh Mangalam to invoke the blessings of Bhagwan Shri Ganesh, as he is the remover of obstacles. We pray that may Shri Ganesh Ji remove those obstacles not only from tonight but from all other nights. Prem se bolo Shri Krishna Bhagwan ki.
देवा गणपति देवा
मंगलम गणेशम
देवहु देवा गणपति देवा
मंगलम गणेशम
देवहु देवा गणपति देवा
मंगलम गणेशम
देवहु देवा गणपति देवा
मंगलम गणेशम
विघ्न विनाशक जन सुखदायक विघ्न विनाशक जन सुखदायक मंगलम गणेशा देवहु देवा गणपति देवा
मंगलम गणेशम
देवहु देवा गणपति देवा
मंगलम गणेशम
विघ्न विनाशक जन सुखदायक विघ्न विनाशक जन सुखदायक मंगलम गणेशा देवहु देवा गणपति देवा
मंगलम गणेशम
देवहु देवा गणपति देवा मंगलम गणेशा मम गम 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 गसा धगम 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 धम ग धनि 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 धम गम धनि सा गम धनि सा गम धनि सा गम धनि सा तू ही आदि तू ही है देवा महिमा तेरी अनंत तू ही आदि तू ही है देवा महिमा तेरी अनंत गजाननं भूतगणादिदेवितं उमाशुतं शवविनाशकारिकं मङ्गलं गणेशा देवहु देवा गणपति देवा
मंगलम गणेशम
देवहु देवा गणपति देवा
मंगलम गणेशम
विघ्न विनाशक जन सुखदायक, विघ्न विनाशक जन सुखदायक, मंगलम गणेशा देवाहुदेवा गणपति देवा,
मङ्गलं गणेशं
देवाहुदेवा गणपति देवा, मंगलम गणेशा। निसा निसा सनिदम सनिदम मधम गम सागा निसा गा मगमसा मगमसा सारी सा सागा सारी सा सारी सा मगमसा। तू ही शक्ति तू ही विधान, देव तू ही वेद पुराण, तू ही शक्ति तू ही विधान, देव तू ही वेद पुराण। गजाननं भूतगणादिदेवितं उमासुतं शवविनाशकारकं मङ्गलं गणेशा देवाहुदेवा गणपति देवा,
मङ्गलं गणेशं
विघ्नविनाशक जन सुखदायक, मङ्गलं गणेशा देवाहुदेवा गणपति देवा,
मङ्गलं गणेशं
देवाहुदेवा गणपति देवा, मङ्गलं गणेशा
देवाहुदेवा गणपति देवा, देवाहुदेवा गणपति देवा, देवाहुदेवा गणपति देवा, देवाहुदेवा गणपति देवा, देवाहुदेवा गणपति देवा,
निसा निसा सनिदा
देवाहुदेवा
सागा निसा गा मगमसा मगमसा।
प्रेम से बोलो श्री गणेश भगवान की। Now I write here and I did not hear the crowd. I hear the Shiva Ganas. Prem se bolo Shri Ganesh Bhagwan ki Jai Ho, Jai Ho. So now, one of the offerings that we will have daily, Bhagwan, is that offering of Jai Krishna Hare, being performed by our very own Shiva Ganas.
यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानमधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम् परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृतां धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि युगे युगे।
विशालं दुःखहरं वृन्दावनचन्द्रम् आनन्ददायकम् स्कन्दं परमानन्दं धरणिधरम् वल्लभघनश्यामं पूर्णकामम् अत्यभिरामं प्रीतिकरम् भजनन्दकुमारं सर्वसुखसारं तत्त्वविचारं ब्रह्मपरम्
जब चारों तरफ अंधियारा हो, आशा का दूर किनारा हो। जब चार तरफ अंधियारा हो, आशा का दूर किनारा हो। कोई न खेवन हारा हो, फिर तू ही बेड़ा पार करे।
जय कृष्ण हरे श्री कृष्ण हरे, दुखियों को दुख दूर करे। जय 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 कृष्ण हरे।
चाहे तो सब कुछ कर दे, विष को भी अमृत कर दे। तू चाहे तो सब कुछ कर दे, विष को भी अमृत कर दे।
पूर्ण कर दे सबकी आशा,
जो भी तेरा ध्यान धरे।
जय कृष्ण हरे श्री कृष्ण हरे दुखियों को दुख दूर करे। जय 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 कृष्ण हरे जय कृष्ण हरे श्री कृष्ण हरे दुखियों को दुख दूर करे। जय 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 कृष्ण हरे
Prim se bolo Shri Krishna Bhagwan ki jai. So as I told you, for the past few weeks, they have been working very, very hard. And of course, when you put in the work, it shows. So I think they deserve another round of applause. And as I said when we began, that today, as we launch our Krishna Leela and Ram Leela, the Shivagana organization that is, today we are very, very fortunate that the High Commission of India, Port of Spain, is joining with us as they celebrate their Gita Mahotsav. And we are very fortunate today that we have the highest office here with us today. And I would like to invite to the podium now none other than His Excellency Dr. Pradeep Singh Raj Purohit Ji, High Commissioner of India to Trinidad and Tobago. Let's give him a round of applause as he makes his way to the podium, and he will give his greetings and blessings on this most auspicious occasion tonight.
आप सभी को गीता महोत्सव की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। पंडित कृष्णमूर्ति रामजीत, प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ द शिवगाना ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, श्री कैनन सुकलाल, ऑपरेशनल डायरेक्टर, पंडित मुखराम सिरजू जी, ऑल द रिवियर्ड पंडित्स, पंडित सत्यम महाराज, सर्वेश महाराज, नरेंद्र महाराज, शिवजनक महाराज, all the esteemed office bearers of the Shivagana organizations and the Shivaganas, ladies and gentlemen, devotees, Namaskar, Jai Sitaram, Jai Sri Krishna. I am indeed delighted this evening to join you all in today's celebration on the occasion of the Gita Mahotsav with all the dignitaries, Pandits and everyone. I wish to sincerely thank all those involved in the organization of this auspicious occasion, especially the team of Shivagana organization and also the team of the Mahatma Gandhi Institute for Cultural Cooperation for all their hard work in organizing this festivity. While I have seen the Ram Leelas here in Trinidad on various occasions, but this would be probably my first time that I would be benefiting from the Krishna Leela this evening. Devotees, Srimad Bhagavad Gita is Bharat's most inspiring gift to the world. It is the wealth of the whole world which have been relevant for thousands of years. From world leaders to the common man, Srimad Bhagavad Gita has shown the path of righteousness to the humanity. It says, Sukh dukhe same kratva labha labho jaya jayo tato yuddhaya yujasva nevam papamava vapashyasi, means holding pleasure and pain, gain and loss, victory and defeat as alike. Gird yourself up for the battle, thus you shall not incur any sin. While Srimad Bhagavad Gita is a spiritual text, it is also a text for the life journey. We may belong to any community or any organization, but all of us are surrounded by problems on a daily basis. Whenever we stand on the crossroads of life, like Arjuna, Srimad Bhagavad Gita shows us a solution to these problems through service and through dedication. You may be a student in a state of indecision or a yogi looking for liberation. You will find answer to your every question in this sacred text. We believe that Yoga Gita is the greatest manual, one of the greatest manual for humanity. Many great figures of the world were touched by the divinity of Bhagavad Gita. For people in every field of knowledge, this dialogue on the battlefield of Kurukshetra has been an inspiration. Famous German philosopher Schopenhauer wrote that there is no study in the world more beneficial than the study of Gita, which made his life peaceful and gave him assurance of eternal peace upon death. Prime Minister Modi ji says, the teachings of Lord Sri Krishna, Bhagavan Sri Krishna, are practical in every age. The words of Gita guide not only the individual but also the policy of any nation. In Gita, Sri Krishna has said, Sarva Bhuta Hite Rata. It is said in Gita itself, Lok Sangraham Evapi Sampashyan Kartum Arhasi. This meaning that of both the verses is that we should work for the welfare of the society. Devotees, Srimad Bhagavad Gita Mahotsav is celebrated on the occasion of revelation of by Bhagavan Sri Krishna to Arjuna on the battlefield of Kurukshetra, and it is celebrated on the Shukla Paksh Ekadasi in the month of Margashira and accordingly in the calendar. The Gita's teachings of duty, righteousness and knowledge. Since 2016, International Gita Mahotsav has been celebrated on a grand scale. Every year a number of devotees coming from abroad and from all over Bharat have been increasing. The 10th International Gita Mahotsav was organized in Kurukshetra in November-December last year. This 21-day festival presented an extraordinary blend of culture, knowledge and spirituality. The Mahotsav was formally inaugurated with a Gita Yajna at the Brahma Sarovar. The 3-day International Gita Seminar was organized at the Kurukshetra University. Grand Gita Maha-Aarti was performed daily at the sacred banks of the Brahma Sarovar. Cultural events were organized at the various pilgrimage sites of the Kurukshetra region. Subsequently, Deepotsav celebrations were held at 182 pilgrimage sites in Kurukshetra. A Gita Sobha Yatra was also taken out with participation from various religious, social and voluntary organizations. And there were several details, and accordingly, as a precursor to the Gita Mahotsav, that the High Commission celebrated the Gita Mahotsav last year on 13th of November in collaboration with the Dattatreya Yoga Center and their team at the Mahatma Gandhi Center, which was attended by Speaker Honorable Jagdev Singh Ji, Pandit Ramesh Maharaj and other dignitaries. Our Gita Mahotsav of this evening is also part of the continuation of the celebration of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Mahotsav taking place in Bharat, and similar celebrations have been organized in different parts of the world. Brothers and sisters, when Bhagavan Krishna says, why do you worry? Kyun aap chinta karte ho? Whom are you afraid of? Who can kill you? What will you take away? And what did you bring? It automatically gives immense inspirations to dedicate life in the service of people and in the service of nation. To introduce this ancient knowledge and purity, great efforts have been made by many great people over generations. And this was the effort from Government of India, that we had organized a training of the Pandits from Trinidad and Tobago last year. And I am happy to also share that the 2 academic chairs on Indian studies and Hindi, which was announced during Prime Minister Modi ji's visit last year, they are taking their office later this month to benefit the local students here. We are also in the process of deployment of another academic chair on Ayurveda at the University of West Indies. Let me thank everyone for inviting us, making us part of this celebration, especially the Shivagana organization. I end with a sloka from Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Niyatam kuru karma tvam karma jayo ha karmanya sharir yatrapi chatena prasiddha ched karmanam. Therefore, do you perform your allotted duties for action is superior to inaction. Desisting from action, you cannot even maintain your body. I once again thank everyone for being part of this celebration, giving the High Commission this opportunity. Jai Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Jai Sri Krishna, Jai Sitaram. Namaskar.
जगशयनं पद्मनाभं सुरेशं विश्वाधारं गगनसदृशं मेघवर्णं शुभांगं लक्ष्मीकान्तं कमलनयनं योगिहृद्ध्यानगम्यं वन्दे विष्णुं भवभयहरं सर्वलोकैकनाथम्।
जले धृतवानसि वेदम् प्रलयपयोधिजले धृतवानसि वेदम् वहितवहित्र चरित्रमखेदम् केशवाधृत नीलशरीरा केशवाधृत नीलशरीरा जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे।
क्षितिरति विपुलतरे तव तिष्ठति पृष्ठे धरणिधरणकिन चक्रगरिष्ठे क्षितिरति विपुलतरे तव तिष्ठति पृष्ठे धरणिधरणकिन चक्रगरिष्ठे केशवाधृत कच्छपरूपा केशवाधृत कच्छपरूपा जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे
धरणी तव लग्ना शशिनि कलंक कलेवनि मग्ना वसति दशन शिखरे धरणी तव लग्ना शशिनि कलंक कलेवनि मग्ना केशवाधृत सुकर रूपा जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे
तव कर कमले नखमद्भुत शृंगं दलित हिरण्यकशिपु तनुभृङ्गम् तव कर कमले नखमद्भुत शृंगं दलित हिरण्यकशिपु तनुभृङ्गम् केशवाधृत नरहरि रूपा केशवाधृत नरहरि रूपा जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे
चलयसि विक्रमणि बलिमद्भुत वामन पतन धनीरजनित जन पावन चलयसि विक्रमणि बलिमद्भुत वामन पतन धनीरजनित जन पावन केशवाधृत वामन रूपा केशवाधृत वामन रूपा जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे
क्षत्रिय रुधिरमये जगदपहत पापं न पयसि पयसि शमित भवतापं क्षत्रिय रुधिरमये जगदपहत पापं न पयसि पयसि शमित भवतापं केशवाधृत भृगुपति रूपा केशवाधृत भृगुपति रूपा जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे
पितरसि तिक्षुरणे दीपति कमनीयो दशमुखं मौलिबलिं रमणीयो वितरसि तिक्षुरणे दीपति कमनीयो दशमुखं मौलिबलिं रमणीयो केशवाधृत रामशरीरा केशवाधृत रामशरीरा जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे
वह शिवपुषि विषदेवसनं जलदाभं हलहति भीतिमिलित यमुनाभं वह शिवपुषि विषदेवसनं जलदाभं हलहति भीतिमिलित यमुनाभं केशवाधृत हलधर रूपा केशवाधृत हलधर रूपा जगदीश हरे, जय जगदीश हरे।
जातं सदय हृदय दर्शित पशुघातं, निन्दसि यज्ञविधेरः सृतिजातं सदय हृदय दर्शित पशुघातं, केशवाकृत बुद्ध शरीरा, केशवाकृत बुद्ध शरीरा, जय जगदीश हरे, जय जगदीश हरे। म्लेच्छनि वाहनि धने कलयसि करवाणम्,
धूमकेतुमिव किमपि करालम्,
केशवाकृत कल्पिशरीरा, केशवाकृत कल्पिशरीरा, जय जगदीश हरे, जय जगदीश हरे।
यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत, अभ्युत्थानम् अधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम्, तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम्, तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम्।
Them go on. Prem Zolo Shri Vishnu Bhagwan ki. Let us give them another round of applause, please, as they have just started our Leela in showing us the 10 avatar of Bhagwan Shri Vishnu. The Mahatma Gandhi Institute of Cultural Cooperation. We thank them for joining us today as we celebrate Gita Mahotsav and the launch of the Shiva Gana organizations, Ram Leela and Krishna Leela. वो कृष्णा है by the SK Dance Group.
अलबेला मद नैनो वाला, जिसकी दीवानी ब्रिज की हर बाला, वो किसना है, वो किसना है, वो किसना है, वो किसना है, किसना है, जो है अलबेला मद नैनो वाला, जिसकी दीवानी ब्रिज की हर बाला, वो किसना है, वो किसना है, वो किसना है, किसना है। डूबी प्यार में खोही, प्यार की धुन में जागी न सोही, प्यार में डूबी प्यार में खोही, प्यार की धुन में जागी न सोही, दुनिया से है वो अनजानी, सब कहते हैं प्रेम दीवानी, किसना से मिलती है भूल के हर बंधन, हो किसना की माला की जपती है वो जोगन, किसना है, वो किसना है, वो किसना है, किसना वो राधा है, वो राधा है, राधा है।
प्रेम से बोलो श्री कृष्ण भगवान की जय. Give them another round of applause there. As we see more youths, of course, always involved, as they made their presentations to Bhagwan Shri Krishna as we celebrate Gita Mahotsav and the launch of the Shiva Ganas, Ram Leela and Krishna Leela. So at this point in time on the program, we were supposed to have our opening scene for our Ram Leela and Krishna Leela. That scene in Vaikunt where Bhagwan had his two gatekeepers, Jai and Vijay, and they got a sharap or curse that they have to come onto earth. And they made a choice. A choice, either 7 good lives and devotees of Bhagwan Sri Vishnu, or 3 lives where they will be the enemies of Bhagwan Sri Vishnu. Which would you choose if you had that choice? And they made the choice. Bhagwan, 7 lifetimes is too long. So we choose 3 lifetimes. And to get the darshan of you in those lifetimes. So because of some technical difficulties, we will not have that scene this afternoon. So we have in place one of our Shiva Ganas, Srimati Hemi Singh, that will be performing one of the crowd pleasers, one that you all know. We hope that you all join along and sing along as we continue to worship and give offerings to Bhagwan Sri Krishnji, Hari Sundara Nanda Mukunda.
Sitaram everyone, and welcome to Shivagana's Krishna Ram Leela. Thank you.
So hear me sing, those of you who saw Vikash and Varindra were the two that led the parade that came from the road till we met here. They were the ones that lead in. That's our two sons, very, very strong members of the Shiva Gana organization. As I said before, we have some technical difficulties in terms of the play that we were supposed to have. And then the dance group that is supposed to come up, they need a little time to get changed. So we're going to freestyle a little bit, right? So let's put our hands together as I will narrate the katha that we were supposed to be enacting this evening. As we do it in a tune that we give praises to Bhagwan Narayan. Hari Om Namo Narayana Om Namo Narayana Hari Om Namo Narayana Hari Narayana Shriman Narayana Narayana Hari Hari Shriman Narayana Bolo everyone Gaye Shriman Narayana Narayana Hari Hari
Sriman Narayana Narayana Hari Hari
Sriman Narayana Narayana Hari Hari
Sriman Narayana Narayana Hari.
So as I told you before, the two Dwarpas or the two keepers of Vaikunta, their names were Jai and Vijay. And they were there in Vaikunta and they were ardent devotees of Bhagwan Shri Vishnu. And they were given the task of being the Dwarpal or the guards at the doorway of Vaikunta, so that when Bhagwan Shri Vishnu is taking his rest, by the way, we are in this time of Chaturmas, where it is believed that Bhagwan Shri Vishnu, he rests for 4 months. And when Bhagwan Shri Vishnu is there taking his rest, no one is to disturb him, and the Dwarpals knew that Jai and Vijay. And so one day, 4 youthful yogis came to the doorway. Sanak, Sanandan, Sanatan and Sanat Kumar, the mind-born sons of Bhagwan Brahma himself. And when they walked towards Vaikunth, they were chanting Shriman Narayana Narayana Hari Hari
Sriman Narayana Narayana Hari Hari
Swami Narayana Narayana Hari Hari
Swami Narayana Narayana Hari Hari.
So when they reached close to the doorway, Jai and Vijay, Ruko, stop! Where are you going? You little children, you cannot come here, you cannot disturb Bhagwan Shri Vishnu. Go from here. You see, even in heaven, a little Abhiman can, like a fly in the Panchamrit. It spoiled the whole thing. And so Jai and Vijay, for that one mistake, the 4 mind-born sons of Lord Brahma pronounced a sharap on them. That you are behaving like demons, may you be born like demons. Shriman Narayana Narayana Hari Hari
Sriman Narayana Narayana Hari Hari
Shriman Narayana Narayana Hari Hari
Sriman Narayana Narayana Hari Hari.
At that time with the commotion, Bhagwan Shri Vishnu was awakened and he came. The the holy ones got the opportunity to pay their respects. Of course, Jai and Vijay, Bhagwan Shri Vishnu says, these are the holy Brahmanas. And I take this time in the Katha to pay respect to all the Brahmanas and the Pandits who are here today that are gracing us. Because Bhagwan Shri Vishnu says, where they are, that place will be blessed, that place will be successful. And so, Jai and Vijay, they felt very bad. But once a shrap is given, it has to be carried out. But Bhagwan gave them that choice, that don't worry, you choose, you go for 3 times, and then I will give you that liberation to come back here myself. Shriman Narayana, Narayana, Hari Hari.
Sriman Narayana, Narayana, Hari Hari.
Shriman Narayana, Narayana, Hari Hari.
Sriman Narayana, Narayana, Hari Hari.
Shriman Narayana, Narayana, Hari Hari. Hari Om Namo Narayana. Om Namo Narayana. Hari Om Namo Narayana. Hari Om Namo Narayana. Prim Solo Shri Vishnu Bhagwan ki. So this is the genesis of the Leelas that you will see over the next few nights. Of course, our dance group is ready now. So they will perform their last item for tonight, and then we have the closing item by the Shiva Ganas themselves. So we invite the dance group to perform for their last item for tonight, the SK dance group, as they...
रे खट 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 बाज 10 तक वो न अब तक आया रे तब से हाँ देखी राहिक अब तू खोल बाहें आजा मण घूमे रे मचले रे मोरा मन गूंजे रे बालम के बोल गाड़ संग ढोल बाजे हाय हाय धम धम धाय न गाड़ संग ढोल बाजे हाय हाय धाय धाय धम धाय चल आजा रे थर 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 हाँ कांपे थर थर हाँ डर डर जी से डर अब नाना बागों में बोला बोला रे बोला मोर बदला रे दिल का भूगोल नगाड़े संग ढोल बाजे हाय हाय धम धम हाय नगाड़े संग ढोल बाजे हाय 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 धम हाय हे धिन कड़ाक आजा उड़ के सराट पैरों से बीड़ी जरा नगाड़े संग ढोल बाजे हाय हाय धम धम हाय नगाड़े संग ढोल बाजे हाय 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 धम हाय नगाड़े संग ढोल बाजे हाय हाय धम धम हाय नगाड़े संग ढोल बाजे हाय 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 धम
Siyavar Ramchandra ki. So dear devotees, as I mentioned before, when the noble Brahmanas grace us with their presence, we know that we will have success. And tonight we have many. Our puja was done by young Sarvesh and his brother, Satyam, that they started off our pujan, and we have Pandit Anand Vyas here with us today. We have Pandit Surju with us here today. And of course, we are very fortunate to have Pandit Ishwar. So Pandit Ishwar needs no introduction for the Shiva Ganas. For those of you who know, he is also one of the Pandits from one of the organizations, Swaha, that always supports the Shiva Gana organization. And so Panditji, at the request, we would like you to humbly come give your blessings on this occasion.
बोले सियापति रामचंद्र की, वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की. His Excellency Ji Dr. Raj Purohit, all the esteemed Pandits and noble Brahmanas in our midst, Pandit Shivajanak Maharaj, of course, who introduced me to the wonderful executive of the Shivgan organization, High Commission, and to all wonderful Ram Leela and Krishna Leela players. To all of you, I say, I humble pranam and sitaram namaste to each and every one of you. You have been enjoying a beautiful parade initially and wonderful entertainment. And today is the launch of this Gita Mahotsav being celebrated also, collaboration between High Commission and of course Shivgan organization. But very importantly, Krishna Leela. And High Commissioner Ji and our Pandits will know Ram Leela we are very familiar with, but Krishna Leela is not as popular or prevalent, and indeed it should be, because for ancestors from hundreds of years ago, thousands of years ago, Bhagavad Mahapurana extremely important, Gita extremely important, just as Sri Ramcharitmanas is, Ramayana is. But Krishna Leela and keeping it alive, reviving it as it were, is very important. So I want to highly commend the Shivgan organization, the executive of course led by Krishnamurti ji, and the wonderful children, your children. So on behalf of all of us, others, the Pandits here, we thank you. We say dhanyabad to all the parents for allowing your wonderful children to be a part of this exciting and transformational program, I will say. These 10 days where there will be Ram Leela and Krishna Leela. Just for blessing of everyone, on this special occasion, I ask you to join with me as we think of Sri Krishna Bhagwan. And if you know these verses, well, these names of Gita. Join with me. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Gita Ganga Cha Gayatri Sita Satya Saraswati Brahm Vidya Brahmvali Trisanda Mukti Gehine Admata Chidananda Bhavagni Bhayanashini Vedatray Parananda Tattvata Jnana Manjari. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Shri Sita Ramachandraya Namaha. Bole Siyapati Ramachandra ki, Bole Shri Vrindavan Bihari Lal ki, Satya Sanatana Dharma ki.
Thank you very much, Panditji. And as I mentioned before, Pandit Suruji is here. He is the Vice President of the Inter IRO, Religious Organization of Trinidad and Tobago. And I'm sure he could attest that Shiva Gana organization is one of the only organizations that have so many organizations that are associated with and work with very closely as we have events throughout the year. So for that, I want to give Shiva Gana, let's give them a round of applause. The organization led by Sri Krishnamurti ji, who have managed to do this that many others may have tried. And to bring the curtains down on the performances, we have the Shiva Ganas once again as they take their places on the field, their closing offering, their closing dance. So we had an opening offering, we had an opening dance, and now they will have their closing offering and their closing dance that they will offer for us today. And this will be done nightly. So please come and support our youths, bring more friends and family. As Panditji rightfully said, Krishna Leela is not something that you may be familiar with seeing. So we invite you to come and have the opportunity to see both Ram Leela and Krishna Leela being enacted over the next few days. So our youths are in place to make their offerings. Let's give them a round of applause as they do their closing offering to Bhagwan Sri Vishnu in his forms. प्रेम से बोलो श्री कृष्ण भगवान की, सियावर रामचंद्र की। So that was our final item for tonight. And as we get ready for our final arti and our closing prayer, give thanks, also seek blessings, of course, Pandit Narendra ji. I don't know if he's still here, but he did our opening prayer, and his brother Pandit Mahindra ji will be doing our closing prayer after the closing arti. So respects to His Excellency, respective representatives of the High Commission of India and the Mahatma Gandhi Institute of Cultural Cooperation, honored guests, respected pundits, artists, volunteers, parents, children, beloved devotees. As we come to an end today, as we come to the close of this special evening, our hearts are filled with gratitude. Tonight has been much more than just a program. I'm sure you all will agree. Through puja, we started prayer, procession, music, dance, katha, and we will have arti. We have witnessed the living expression of our faith and culture. Each presentation has contributed a meaningful thread to the sacred tapestry of Gita Mahotsav tonight. We thank the High Commission of India and the Mahatma Gandhi Institute for Cultural Cooperation, the Government of India, for their continued support of culture, spiritual learning, and community connection. We thank His Excellency Dr. Pradeep Singh Rajpurohit ji for gracing this occasion with his presence and encouragement. We also offer sincere appreciation to all the many pundits that I have listed before that have graced us tonight, our dancers, the singers, the musicians, Ram Leela, Krishna Leela participants, choreographers, organizers, volunteers, supporters, parents, and every person who have worked quietly behind the scenes. Your service has made this evening possible. Gita Mata teaches us that no sincere offering is small when it is made with devotion, with bhakti. Whatever small performance on stage prepared in preparing the gongs, guided the child, assisted a guest, arranged an item, or simply came with a respectful heart, each contribution has become an offering to Bhagwan. This evening is perfect beginning to the Shivagana organization's Ram Leela and Krishna Leela celebration. We begin with the wisdom of Srimad Bhagavad Gita, because Srimad Bhagavad Gita Mata gives us that foundation for everything that follows: dharma, devotion, courage, discipline, service, and love for Bhagwan. As our Ram Leela unfolds, may we remember that Sri Ram's commitment to truth and righteousness. As our Krishna Leela unfolds, may we remember that Bhagwan Krishna's call to live with wisdom, devotion, and love and surrender. May our young people not only perform these sacred kathas, but carry these values into their life. Let this not be only a celebration we attended, but a message we continue to live. Let us strengthen our families, respect our elders, guide our children, serve our community, and keep Dharma alive through our thoughts, words, and actions, our man, kram, vachan. May Bhagwan Shri Krishna bless us with wisdom. May Shri Ram bless us with the strength of character. May Gita Mata continue to guide and protect us. Thank you everyone for being part of this beginning of our Ram Leela and Krishna Lila. So I'll ask you all now to please stand. We will have our closing Aarti and then followed by our closing mantras by Pandit Mahindra ji.
जय जगदीश हरे स्वामी जय जगदीश हरे भक्त जनों के संकट दास जनों के संकट क्षण में दूर करे ओम जय जगदीश हरे
जगदीश हरे भक्त जनों के संकट दास जनों के संकट क्षण में दूर करे ओम जय जगदीश हरे संपत्ति घर आवे कष्ट मिटे तन का ओम जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे स्वामी जय जगदीश हरे भक्त जनों के संकट दास जनों के संकट क्षण में दूर करे ओम जय जगदीश हरे मात पिता तुम मेरी शरण कहो किसकी स्वामी शरण कहो किसकी तुम बिन और न दूजा तुम बिन और न दूजा आश करो जिसकी ओम जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे स्वामी जय जगदीश हरे भक्त जनों के संकट नाथ जनों के संकट क्षण में दूर करे ओम जय जगदीश हरे स्वामी जय जगदीश हरे भक्त जनों के संकट दास जनों के संकट क्षण में दूर करे ओम जय
हरे जय जगदीश हरे स्वामी जय जगदीश हरे भक्त जनों के संकट दास जनों के संकट क्षण में दूर करे ओम जय जगदीश हरे विषय विकार मिटाओ पाप हरो देवा स्वामी पाप हरो देवा श्रद्धा भक्ति बढ़ाओ श्रद्धा भक्ति बढ़ाओ संतन की सेवा ओम जय जगदीश हरे स्वामी जय जगदीश हरे भक्त जनों के संकट भक्त जनों के संकट क्षण में दूर करे ओम जय जगदीश हरे ओम जय जगदीश हरे ओम जय जगदीश हरे
प्रेम से बोलो वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की. So before I close tonight with some closing prayer, I just want to say a few words. 35 years to 40 years ago, my brother and I, we played Christian Leela in Kampu village. And for a number of years now, I've been involved in Christian Leela with Shiva Gana. This is my home. And as I sat there, it always brings joy to me. And I will tell you a few things. As a pundit, I can't explain the happiness I feel to see Leela taking place. But also as a father, my two children are in the Leela a number of years now, and they end tonight. So when I sat there, I honestly felt like crying. I wish my parents were here to see them. That's the kind of joy that I cannot explain. But I encourage all the parents, when you look at Leela for the next 9 days, you may want to have your children in this next year, and any year that you can, because I will tell you what, we always complain about our environment surrounded by negativity. Well, hear what? This night gone, but you have 9 more nights to see positivity, divinity, and nice alupai and polori. So come out, participate, and enjoy this time, because you will remember when the Leela is finished. From tomorrow night, you're going to see action and fighting. So, we have our own wrestlers, Shiva Gana wrestlers. Come out and check them out. We have our own talented dancers and actors. You will think it's a Bollywood movie from tomorrow. So please come out. May Bhagavan Krishna bless all of you, all the Pandits, all the relevant dignitaries, all the families, all the Brahmanas, everybody, even the people who selling, everybody, the security, everybody. I am humbled to be in your presence. Thank you for being here tonight. Please clasp your hands and close your eyes. And let us ask Bhagavan Krishna to continue to bless the Leela, bless all the participants, bless everyone. Om Ganapati Girija Vrishabhadwaja Shannamuko Nandi Mukadim Dima Manujamala Chishun Megaswashama Pratidinam Koshalam Jai Mangalam Om Vasudeva Sutam Devam Kamsachanud Maradanam Devaki Padam Anandam कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुम् ॐ त्वमेव माता च पिता त्वमेव त्वमेव बन्धुश्च सखा त्वमेव त्वमेव विद्या द्रविणं त्वमेव त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव देव ॐ शान्ति 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 हरि ओम। प्रेम से बोलो वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की। लाउडर प्रेम से बोलो वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की। प्रेम से बोलो वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की। प्रेम से बोलो श्री सत्य सनातन धर्म की जय जय सीताराम। May Bhagavan Krishna continue to bless all of you.